Sneezing is both annoying and incredibly satisfying. The uncontrollable reaction, the innocent act of clearing irritants, has humans developed entire social rituals around it. Hi, I'm ES Bunny, an analysis of human customs. I've always been fascinated by how sneezes require immediate blessings from surrounding individuals. Why must every stranger acknowledge the act? Why do humans feel strangely embarrassed when sneezing multiple times in succession? And worst of all, why does a single person sneezing suddenly cause everyone else to start sneezing, creating a chain reaction of uncontrollable chaos? Is a sneeze a secret possession? I can't go back to the ancient ghoul wars. For the love of God, everyone hold your sneezes! Hey, do you want to see more of me in the same video and not a whole bunch of small ones? Subscribe. Once we hit 500 subscribers, you'll start seeing longer videos.